Unite, which means Children of Igbo Land Unite Yourself. We are young Nigerian Igbo professionals here in Houston. There are several chapters around the United States, and we are the Houston chapter. Yeah. And we come together, we do charity work within here, the community in Houston, and also back home in Nigeria. And also we socialize with each other. Amongst our group, you'll find students, medical doctors, individuals seasoned in their careers.
We were joking earlier because the person more likely to have a PhD in Houston is actually Nigerian.
That's right, that's right. And next Saturday on the 24th, we are having a banquet. We are turning 9 years old as our chapter, and we're going to be celebrating our culture throughout the whole night. So this night, we're going to have a cultural play. We have Mr. Ben Amuchi here. He's a 6-time author, and he is volunteer. He's actually one of our elders. He's volunteered his time for him to help us out with the play. And we're going to have dancing. We're going to have music. We also have a keynote speaker that's coming in from Maryland that's going to talk about mental health. Because within Africa, mental health is something that usually...
Well, it's a global issue.
Yes, it's a global issue.
We don't want to talk about it in certain
Yes, absolutely. So we're going to address that as well. So it's going to be an exciting night for us, and we're really excited, and we would like anyone that's interested in our culture to come out on this night.
And what I love is we say Houston's the most diverse city in the country, right?
That's right.
And what you all do is you embrace America, but you still have one foot back in the old country or your homeland, right? So it just adds to the texture of the city.
That's right. Yeah.